I'm Gail Stormwing, and you're watching Bird News Extra. Where's the ramp? Ramford?
Tent Roof Ford, must hold branch. But look at all this. This is the greatest show. Forget the branch. Winter is coming. This is the new Drogon Bristlewing mod. From Dragonstone to Gondwan, its flames are strong enough to melt the Iron Throne and finally install the House Beakman as the rulers of the 7 POIs.
I have to stop you right there. The House Beakman cannot rule itself, much less the 7 POIs.
I disagree. The Beakmans are among the most trustworthy and responsible of ramps.
Oh yeah? What happened to your branch?
It, despawned when I put it down.
My point exactly. Continuing with recent mod releases, we can't ignore the latest, the Leviathan. As seen here in its natural state, looking for something to eat. We go to Ramford for more.
I'm Ramford Beakman outside the Obsidian Cave nightclub, where tonight's rave is packed entirely with Leviathans. Leviathi? Glow Spinos. No, Glow Spinos. Let's go inside. Wow, Glow Spinos everywhere. This is the greatest show. And of course, it wouldn't be a rave without our Obsidian Cave regular, Queen Tic Taco. What do you think of the new Glow Spino? Couldn't have said it better myself. I think their hunger bars are getting low. We got exactly 5 seconds to get out of here. Remember Beakman? Should we tell her the party is over?
Nah, she knows what she's doing.